Hello sugar plums, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make the box for the domino that I made last week. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link for you on the screen right there, and also post it down and in the description box for you down below. So make sure to check this out because those dominoes were like very beautiful. Now I'm going to be showing you how I make the box for it. Basically I'm going to be using the exact same product that I use to make the domino, minus the gold leaf and the flower itself. So because I wanted the domino to be like the box to be reflective of the domino, I'm just going to go ahead and mix my resin, and using exactly 2 drops of the magenta alcohol ink with 2 scoop of the purple, the diamond purple interference color from Vases, and a little bit of the diamond gold interference color from Vases as well. Now because I didn't want a lot of gold in it, I just want it to be very nice and pink, almost like a pinkish purple. That's what I'm going for to exactly match the domino itself. Also I went and I mixed the same glitter that I had before, but I mix it like in a different cup by itself because I want the glitter to be just clear resin with the glitter. I didn't want to mix the glitter with the color resin, just because I wanted, when I pour my resin in the color resin and I pour the glitter, I wanted to have like that that space where you only see the glitter, and not I didn't want the glitter to kind of be lost in the color resin, because if you put the glitter in that resin right now, and the glitter will be like kind of lost in it. So that's what I did. It's super easy to make the box, guys. I love this mold as well. It's very easy to put together, super easy to make, so I really highly recommend it. And this box, you can use it for like jewelry boxes, not just like a domino box. I bought it for a domino box, and I use it for jewelry box. It's just a beautiful large box. So this is what I did. You can see I'm putting my color resin and I'm putting my glitter just by itself. That way I have like a space for the glitter to be showing. The glitter will be showing more if you do it that way, instead of like mixing your glitter in your color resin. So that's one of a little tip that I'm giving you right now, if you want your glitter to show a little bit more. And I'm just gonna go over it and add a little bit more of the color resin on top of the glitter, just because I didn't want to have, like, once you put the glitter and the glitter sit at the bottom, it doesn't matter if you put more glitter on it, the part that's at the bottom gonna be showing. So that's what I did. And obviously I did not mix enough of resin to do the box. I went and mixed more resin, and for the bottom part of the box, this is the big square that have a lot of the indentation in it. That's the bottom part. For the top part is the big square that doesn't have the indentation, but just the 2 little hang. So for the top part, I just wanted it to be sheer, only glitter with a tiny little bit of color in it. So I went and mixed 1 drop of the magenta alcohol in it, nothing else, with the glitter, and then I have like this beautiful sheer glitter color on it. Yes guys, for me glitter is a color, so don't come for me. So I let this dry completely for 48 hours before I went and remove it, because I find out if you kind of remove it in 24 hours, because it's still bendy, so it's kind of it will be hard for you to put the box together, because the epoxy, the resin is not fully cured. It tend to kind of keep not keep its shape. So I let it dry for 48 hours, and then I'm showing you, this is the front part. You see how you can see the glitter perfectly beautiful like in it, and then you have like some part that doesn't have any glitter. That's exactly what I wanted to do, because I wanted to match the domino, because the glitter I only put a little bit on the background of it. The glitter was not mixed in the resin when I was doing it for the domino. And this is the bottom part. The bottom part came out really beautiful. And this is the top part. The top part, you can see it's very sheer and very like tiny little bit of pinkish purple color in it, and a lot of glitter. It's so beautiful. And again guys, like I'm showing you, the box is super easy to make. Now one of the thing you need to know that when you put the box together, you need to use some kind of glue. Like I use a UV resin to put it, but I'm just showing you how easy it is to put together. And then later I'm just gonna go off camera and add my UV resin and in all the little hinge, little connection part, and then I'm gonna UV resin them glue down, so that way your box is nice and sturdy. But it's that easy to put together. I'm showing right now, and I'm not doing anything, so I'll be able to kind of remove them after that to show you. But I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to put the box together. So once you finish to put that box together, the 5-part together, and then the top part itself, you don't need to glue anything. You just need to pop it in because you need to you want it to rotate, so you will be able to move it up and down. So this is what it looked like, but the box is absolutely gorgeous. Now this is what it looked like after I finished adding the resin and glue the whole thing together. Now you can leave your box like this if you want, but you guys know in this channel we're a little bit extra, so we want to add a lot of glitter, a lot of like bling to it. Now because my resin, my domino resin that I made last week was had flour in it, but I didn't want to add the same flour on top of that domino because if you get it, you probably want to use it for something else if you don't want to use it for the domino. But so I wanted to put a lot of glam in it. But let's take a moment to give it to the mini crown collection from Totally Dazzle, guys. This collection is so beautiful. It came out with so many different sizes and shape of crown. Those are absolutely gorgeous. I had this for quite a while, and this is my first time using it, and I was blown away by how beautiful. Totally Dazzle never disappoint, guys. So make sure to check them out. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just checked them out because their quality of their products are amazingly beautiful, top notch, and it's very affordable as well. So I decided to use that crown. This is the second smallest in the collection. I'm gonna use it as a knob, and I'm gonna use that big giant diamond stone, and I'm gonna glue it in the crown, so that way I'll have a knob to kind of pull it up and down. And then I'm gonna be using a lot of different loose gemstone, and we're gonna use different sizes, and I'm gonna be using that gold and clear one, and also I'm gonna be using the gold and almost like a champagne kind of color as well. I'm gonna be using like a sticky small diamond gemstone, and I used that before in my channel when I used to do like furniture DIY and stuff like this, and it's absolutely gorgeous when light shine through it. This thing shine really beautiful. So this is me just free I'm just free doing it right now, and I'm imagining how I want the flowers to be on the box, and I'm just gonna go ahead and play with it a little bit, and then once I'm satisfied with how I want it to be, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a little bit of UV resin. I'm gonna glue the flowers in place. Now the beauty with UV resin is that it's not cute until you put the UV lip in it, so you can just move it and shape it if the way you want before you be sure exactly how this is how I want it, and I glue it down. So I went and glued the whole thing down. So this part is glued down, so I wanted to add my little strings of the diamond on it to kind of make like a little connection, because right now it's kind of disconnected. It's just like a little bit of flower here and there, so I wanted to kind of connect those flowers together a little bit. So I'm just gonna use them. And the thing with this string is because it's already have like a very strong adhesive on the back. You just have to peel it and stick it, and it's very flexible, so you can be able to make like curve with it and twirl and make circle with it, whatever you want to do with it. It's easy to make. So again, guys, everything that I use, I will be putting them in the Amazon store for you. Most of them I got from Amazon, except of the little crown from Totally Dazzle. So I'll leave the link for you also in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. And once I finish doing that, guys, that's it. I am done with the box. All I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be showing you when I put the domino in the box how everything mashed together, and that's it. It's so easy to make that box, and very beautiful. I say I love the pinkish purple color, guys. that's it. That's all that it takes to make this beautiful and, you know, very, very easy again, guys. So make sure you check down, you know, in the description box below for any link if you want to check out all those beautiful gemstone, all the colors, the domino molds and everything that I use. Again, all you have to do is click on the Amazon store, guys. Everything that I use, I found it's easy for me to just go and put them in the Amazon link, so that way when you go there you can see everything there instead of me putting a bunch of different link in the description box below. It's less work for me, so that's that. And guys, so thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by and welcome to my channel. I'll really appreciate it if you take the time to go ahead and click the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friend and family, and also if you want some extra, you know, shout out, a little perk behind the scene, you can go ahead and click on the join membership channel and you can join us for 99 cents a month for just the perk, and you have like a shout out and different stuff. And if you want more, to have like some like a free illustration every month and behind the scene video, you can join us with the artist for $1.99 a month. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share it with your friend and family. Again, thank you so much for all my old subscribers. Thank you so much for always being here. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next video, but until then, you know the drill. Be blessed and stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.
The dreams of your past never quite seem to last in a future that's so far away. But here in this place, you know, Molly, is a princess today. In a little while it's dinner time. She leaves the kingdom in her mind, a bookmark in the storyline. The chapter is done. The mystery of what will be tomorrow when the clock strikes 3. There beneath the cedar tree the princess will come. And there's nothing that she couldn't do when she closes her eyes and imagines the view. And there's never a care for tomorrow, 'cause Molly's a princess today. Yeah, well, there's never a care for tomorrow, 'cause Molly's a princess today. Oh,